Welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Jacqueline and today I have a cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm going to be doing some laundry and tackling this living room slash cozy room. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm actually getting my motivation for cleaning my house is from my friends here on YouTube. Every time I change a YouTuber, I will let you guys know who I am watching because I want to support them because they helped me to get off my bum and get some cleaning done. If you guys are interested in cleaning videos and like plant-based cooking and stuff like that and home decor, this is the channel for you. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already and you've been watching some of my videos, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And I'm excited to get this going. I haven't been cleaning my house in a while because I've been working on a project outside with my husband. So I have a future video explaining more about that. I've been keeping it a secret, but I'm excited and I hope you guys will be excited too. But leave me a comment below if you're here watching. My first one is going to be Miss Brittany. She is doing a cleaning motivation right here. I absolutely needed this. I don't like doing laundry, so I hope I motivate someone like Miss Brittany has motivated me on doing my laundry. I love washing and drying, but when it comes to folding and sometimes putting away, I don't like doing that. Just want to let you guys know that this video was filmed about a month ago. It's just been taking me that long to edit my videos, so I'm going to end up probably posting some of my older videos I had done a while back just to share them with you because they're cleaning motivations and I took the time to film them and I want to go ahead and use them. So don't get upset with me if you guys are seeing Halloween or Thanksgiving and then Christmas decorations. I've just been so overwhelmed and I hope you guys understand that. Now that I'm finished folding my laundry, one of the things I do like to do is put it away right away so then I don't have to deal with the piles later on. Only ones that I do not put away are jeans and Logan's. They usually get put on the dining room table, and when they get home from school, they'll go ahead and pick up their laundry and put them away. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, From the motivation that I had gotten from the laundry, I actually started cleaning more than I normally do. Sometimes I get sidetracked. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes it just, when something looks messy, I have to clean it. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my bedroom. And then it was just a ripple effect of cleaning throughout the house. Birdie did not want to leave the bed, so I just went ahead and folded the bed. Normally he'll end up messing it up by getting in it and out of it, so I just went ahead and just made the bed with him in it.
Dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world.
Now that I'm done tidying up my bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and move into the living room and the cozy room to go ahead and get that started. It's kind of crazy how you're like, okay, I'm only gonna get laundry and cozy room done, and that's all I have to do today. But then you get in that motivation and you just start cleaning other things. It was such a good cleaning day. I had a great time cleaning along with Miss Brittany and Gazelle. I also watched her channel while I was cleaning today.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of.
Right here is our catch-all right now. It has all our tools that we've been using. My thing is I don't want to take them back upstairs into the attic because I know we're going to end up using it throughout the next few weeks. So I'm just going to stick it in this Home Depot bag. Hopefully my husband doesn't mind. Who knows?
Surprised by you, want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you, want you to make my heart feel.
Right here is our Christmas tote that has all our decorations in it. I just been rolling it around in the living room and the dining room. Like I said, this was before I had decorated for Christmas, so it was just a hassle of just having it down. I wish we didn't have brought it downstairs because it's just one of those things that you just have to keep moving out of the way. With Ryder's room, I'm just going to quickly make up his bed and tidy it up just a little bit. You're going to end up seeing his messy closet. I need to get in there and organize it better and clean it out. We're going to be moving into the dining room and tidying it up, and you could like see that I have Thanksgiving items like my pumpkins and stuff like that on the mantle. This was the week Monday prior to Thanksgiving, because this is the day that the school has sent him home saying that he was coughing. But when I was looking back on it, when I was videoing, I was like, Ryder didn't cough or any sneezing or nothing. So they sent him home being premature, thinking that he was sick, and he wasn't. He was never running a fever. It was such a bad time for us for him to get sent home. I don't know about you guys. I'm probably gonna get some hate comments about this, but I am totally 100% done with this COVID junk. I am so tired of the schools using this as an excuse to send kids home and making them wear masks and all that stuff. I know people have their opinions. Usually I don't talk about this stuff, but this last time that Ryder got sent home was very upsetting for me. He was so upset. He didn't like it. We were having so many bad days, and just getting him out of routine was just really rough for us. I did have a few of my friends on Instagram who I vented to. I thank you guys so much for listening to me and supporting me through my meltdowns and my emotionalness that I had gone through. I just appreciate that I had good friends here on YouTube and on Instagram.
Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love.
Right here, I am watching Annie Love Home. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. Also, she does cleaning motivation, some DIY projects, some like decoratings and for the seasons and stuff like that. She does some shopping hauls and just kind of things like I do, but a little bit more. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, please go check out her channel. She's so sweet. You guys will love her.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna
Okay, my friends, I am going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below letting me know that you did. And if I give you any type of motivations, please hit that like button and don't forget that red button. Also, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. And I want to thank my YouTube friends here to giving me the motivation to get off my butt and to clean the house. Guys, you helped me out so much. I appreciate it. I love getting support and motivation from all my friends here on YouTube. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.